Hey, what's up, guys? This is Akansh. We are back on the episode from the Minecraft Let's Play series that we started. This is basically episode number 7, I believe. And in this video, again, we are kicking things off in the Nether. So, this time we are playing with Doom and Pranav, obviously. And in this one, we basically will be we'll be curing the villager, and also whilst the villager will be getting cured, we'll be like raiding the fortress as we did not completely raid it last time. So yeah, also guys, thank you for all the support that you have been giving me during the course of the series. I really appreciate it, and thank you very much once again. So yeah, let's begin.
मेरी डायमंड चेस्ट प्लेट नहीं था। डायमंड चेस्ट प्लेट तो थी नहीं।
तू मर गया था क्या?
हाँ, ये धक्का मार दिया इस बेशरम ने।
अच्छा, अबे मैंने वो डिसेबल कर रखा था इसलिए मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था भाई। चॉप।
अरे मेरा खाना गायब हो।
ओए मैं वो निकाल रहा हूँ, शेडर उतार रहा हूँ भाई। इतना चॉप कर रहा है। ओए मत मार प्रणव, मत मार। अरे उसको ब्रीड भी कर दे,
इसको।
काउज और शीप को।
ओह अच्छा, तो कुछ और समझ गया था।
A few moments later.
What was that?
बस कुछ था भाई, मुझे नहीं पता।
Guys, trash the bro being weird. भाई पता है एक दिन ना मैंने माउस को अपना वो प्रॉब्लम दे रहा था ना, बताया ना मैंने तुम लोगों को। मैंने मतलब उठा के मारा माउस भाई, ठीक हो गया। तब से बिल्कुल सही चल रहा है। मजाक नहीं कर रहा, सही में।
Nice. It's sometimes good to rage.
And modern problems require modern solutions.
So well guys, to heal a zombie villager, what we need is, first of all, we need a potion of weakness and a golden apple. So golden apple though I guess we don't have, but I'll show you how we make golden apples. But anyway, they are easy to craft. But for the potion of weakness, as I told you in a previous video, we need a sugar, brown mushroom and the spider eye itself, and then you'll have the fermented spider eye. Apart from that, you'll need a brewing stand and some blaze, which we got in the previous episode from the nether fortress. We got this blaze from a village. We did some off camera, exploring around, so there we found a village. So here's the brewing stand. But even if you don't have access to a village and you want a brewing stand, it's very easy to craft. You can just place it in this fashion, this way, and voila, here's your brewing stand. But I won't be crafting it as I already have a brewing stand. So to brew the potion, first we need 3 glass bottles. So for that you just need three normal glass, and you put it in this way and you'll get 3 glass bottles. Now we need to fill these glass bottles with some water. So there's an ocean here. So yeah, now that they are filled, Doom is up to his shenanigans, but anyway, won't stop us. So now you place the bottles here. For this potion you don't need any nether wart, so yeah, that's a plus. Then you convert your blaze rod to blaze powder. This guy literally stole my glass bottles. So let's put them here. So once you have it here, we place our blaze rods right here. Who is stealing my bottles again? I guess guys we'll have to do the honors. I'll have to take it from his corpse. Anyway, here are the bottles. So here are the bottles. So first, what we need to do is we just need to put this fermented spider eye. Who hit me? But anyway, oh boy, this guy. Seriously, this guy. You know what, guys? I have a better solution. Let's just take the brewing stand away and brew it somewhere else. Let's brew our potion. What the? Oh, what? This guy is inviting trouble, man. He is dying today, guys. He is dying. This guy is seriously inviting a lot of trouble for him on himself, you know. Now he is acting like Dream. Yeah, that's better now. So, yeah. So where were we? We were brewing potions. Let's do that. So first we put our blaze rod, then we put our water bottles here, and then we put the fermented spider eye and wait for it to like brew. So let these potions brew, and once you basically have these potions, we need to convert it to a splash potion. For that we need gunpowder, but oh sorry, I forgot to bring gunpowder. So yeah, why guys, why? Now they will. So guys, we have a potion of weakness right here. Now let's go back and get some like gunpowder for the to extend its to convert it into a splash potion so that we can just throw it onto the villager. And yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go back to our place. So guys, now that we are back at our place, let's for extending this potion, first of all we would require some redstone, so that its effects will be increased, like the timing will be increased. As you can see right now, it's like 1 minute 30 seconds it will last for that long, but we need to extend that. So we just put a redstone, and again my blaze powder is gone. So yeah, here we place it, and now it will extend the time. So guys, as you can see, the potions time has increased, like the duration of the potion. So yeah, now we need some gunpowder to make it splash potion, then we'll be able to proceed. I'll get some gunpowder and get back to you. हाँ वही मैं आ गया, 1 मिनट हुए, मुझे गनपाउडर चाहिए। गनपाउडर पड़ा है तुम पे? और इसके अलावा तुमको मरने का ज्यादा शौक है क्या? भाई भाई यार, तेरे को सीरियसली मतलब मरने का ज्यादा शौक है? आजा सामान ले ले। ओए गन पाउडर पड़ा है किसी पे? गन पाउडर पड़ा है तेरे पे थोड़ा? लेट मी सी। अबे यार गन पाउडर नहीं है। अबे यार गन पाउडर ही नहीं है किसी पे जरा सा भी। एक मिनट हुए, 1 मिनट डूम, 1 मिनट
तो गया।
भाई यार ये क्यों लड़ाई करता है यार, जब इसको पता है ये नहीं जीतेगा। काम हो गया, ले जाओ ले जाओ। भाई क्यों लड़ता है यार, ये पहली बात क्यों लड़ता है? इसको पता है मतलब नहीं जीत सकता वो।
अबे मेरे को काहे मार रहा है बेशरम? तेरी
भाई दोनों मरो.
बेशरम.
Guys, to get apples, you need to break oak trees and leave the trees to despawn. Like break all of the logs and then you'll get the apples when the leaves despawn. Guys, put the gunpowder like this, and it will turn into splash potion. So guys, now that you can see it is a splash potion, let's make the golden apple. Let's see has the tree despawned or not. It has, but there are no apples, sadly.
Sad life.
Finally guys, we got 2 apples. So guys, to make the golden apple, you need to keep the apple in the middle and place like gold ingots around it. So in this case we need 2, so 2 golden apples. Yeah, let's go cure that villager now. So guys, you need to throw the splash potion on his face like this. So
बेइज्जती करनी है मुंह पे मतलब.
now you need to feed him the golden apple like this.
See this?
And now we need to wait.
We'll move to the next one.
Yes, we'll move to the next one.
मतलब भाई
So guys, same way, just throw it on his face.
एक मिनट डूम के ऊपर ही पोशन ऑफ वीकनेस गिर गया था शायद.
हाँ वही मेरे ऊपर भी है. Let's wait for him to cure. In the meanwhile, I guess we should take a trip to the Nether to basically get the other stuff in the fortress. So guys, I did some work off camera and made this route, you know, much safer. So as you can see, it's more idiot proof now.
Idiot proof.
जिसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसको समझ आ ही गया होगा, मतलब
उसी ने तो बोला है idiot proof. उसी ने तो बोला है. मैं नहीं, वो चला गया, सो गया हूँ, बेड में सो गया.
ओ भाई कहाँ से आया ये विदर कहाँ से आया भाई? अबे तू मेरे पास अबे यार मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा यार विदर स्कैम.
इधर स्केलेटन नहीं दिखता भाई.
भाई यार नहीं भाई यार.
ओए डूम, मैं तेरे घर में चेस्ट रख दूं?
इधर पिकैक्स ला इधर.
भाई यार पता नहीं ये ग्लिच है यार ऑप्टिफाइन में, पता नहीं क्या है पागल, मतलब विदर स्केलेटन नहीं दिखाई दे रहा यार मुझे.
जहाँ पे मैं हूँ.